Rates. Middle School Math by Sumaya. Introduction to rates. A rate is a ratio that compares two quantities measured in different units. The unit rate is the rate for 1 unit of a given quantity. Unit rates have a denominator of 1. The quotient of two quantities measured in different units. A per B equals A over B. It is the speed at which something is happening, such as miles per hour, meters per second, or words per minute. Examples: rate 150 heartbeats over 2 minutes. Unit rate divided to get it. 150 divided by 2 equals 75 heartbeats per minute. Example: you can travel 120 miles on 60 gallons of gas. What is your fuel efficiency in miles per gallon? Rate equals to 120 miles over 60 gallons, which equals to 20 miles over 1 gallon. Your fuel efficiency is 20 miles per gallon. Comparing rates. Comparing ratios. To compare ratios, write them as a fraction. The ratios are equal if they are equal to the written as fraction. Example: are the ratios 3 to 4 and 6 to 8 equal? The ratios are equal if 3 to 4 equals to 6 to 8. These are equal if the cross products are equal. That is, if 3 times 8 equals to 4 times 6. Since both of these products equal 24, the answer is yes. The ratios are equal. Remember to be careful. Order matters. The ratio of 1 to 7 is not the same as the ratio of 7 to 1. Using unit rates, you can find the missing terms of equal ratios. Use the unit rate and set it equal to another ratio. Solve for what is missing by dividing or multiplying. Example: Jama's car goes 25 miles per gallon of gasoline. How far can it go on 8 gallons of gasoline? 25 miles over 1 gallon. That's the unit rate, which equals to the 1 gallon could equal to 8 gallons by multiplying by 8, and 25 times 8 would equal to 200. So 25 times 8 equals to 200. Jama's car can go 200 miles on 8 gallons of gasoline. Find the unit rate. Sumaya can read 88 pages for 4 hours. What is the unit rate? How many pages can she read per hour? 88 pages over 4 hours equals to 22 pages per hour. Average rate of speed. The average rate of speed for a trip is the total distance traveled divided by the total time of the trip. Example: a dog walks 8 kilometers at 4 kilometers per hour, then chases a rabbit for 2 kilometers at 20 kilometers per hour. What is the dog's average rate of speed for the distance he traveled? The total distance traveled is 8 plus 2 equals 10 kilometers. Now we must figure the total time he was traveling. For the first part of the trip, he walked for 8, then we divided by 4, which equals 2 hours. He chased a rabbit for 2, then we divided by 20, which equals 0.1 hours. Total time of the trip is 2 plus 0.1, which equals to 2.1 hours. The average rate of speed of his trip is 10 over 2.1, or equals to 100 over 21 kilometers per hour. Example 1. You drive a distance of 250 miles and use 11 gallons of gas. What is the average miles per gallon of your car? 250 miles over 11 gallons equals to 250 over 11 times miles over gallons, which equals to 22.7 measured in miles per gallon. Comparing unit prices. Use division to find the unit prices of two products in question. The unit rate that is smaller costs less is the better value. Unit analysis. You can multiply and divide units just like you would multiply and divide numbers. When solving problems involving rates, you can use unit analysis to determine the correct unit for your answer. Example: how many minutes are in 5 hours? 5 hours times 60 minutes over an hour equals to 300 minutes. To solve this problem, we need a unit rate that relates minutes to hours. Because there are 160 minutes in an hour, the unit rate we choose is 60 minutes per hour. Example: juice is sold two different sizes. A 48 fluid ounce bottle costs $2.7. A 32 fluid ounce bottle costs $1.64. Which is better to buy? $2.07 over 48 fluid ounces equals to 0.043125, which equals to 0.4 4 cents per fluid ounces. So $1.64 over 32 fluid ounces equals to 0.05125, which equals to 5 cents per fluid ounce. The 48 fluid ounce bottle is a better value. Example 2. You get paid $20 for 4 hours of work. What is your hourly rate? $20 over 4 hours equals to 20 over 4 times dollars over hours, which equals to 5 measured in dollars per hour. Example 3. Your family eats 5. Your family of 5 eats 8 boxes of cereal a month. What is the average monthly number of boxes that each person eats? 1.6 boxes. 4. You can read 20 pages in 30 minutes. At what rate do you read? 0.67 pages per minute. You try it. The average person lives for 75 years. How long would it be in seconds? If the average person lives for 75 years, how long would that be in seconds? To solve this problem, we need to convert 75 years to seconds. By converting years to days, days to hours, hours to minutes, and minutes to seconds, there are 365.25 days in 1 year, 24 hours in 1 day, 60 minutes in 1 hour, and 60 seconds in a minute. 75 years times 365.25 days over 1 year times 24 hours over a day, 60 minutes per hour times 60 seconds per minute equals to 236682000 seconds. Multiply the fractions and use unit analysis to determine the correct units for the answer. The end. Thank you for watching. The credits go to... The only credit I could give is to my dad, the editor and supervisor, Muhammad Ali.